Kenhuan ki samla bawat jingtip na ributan. Kilapan pawe ke jing sengo tenat ban yo ya kalat. Ban ya peliu jing mut ban ya samlam ya ki jingtip bat kinong mi khmat ke KHADC. Hapo ke jing yalam UCM uba penyat sing sim. Habakran syakilat pathai kubor mentaka art pau sau tarik na wing arja art pau lai. Uba penyat uleh thu bah ke jing yamir la pen sengo ke rukom penyat kam ke council ke jing don ki dor bar shnong. Ki hima bat kiriti dostur. Uleh thu bakinong Bhutan ki lapan pau bakajing don ka 6 schedule ya ki district council kalong kumbayo ya la ka jongkari namar bakal ai bor ban sanshar ban long trai ya ka khandau ka siap bat ki wei
this opportunity, and we actually came here to take part in a conference that the Asian Conference is conducting. But coming here, we have learned a lot. Visiting different places, we have visited your district. What's that? The district office, and we've learned about your judiciary system. We've learned about your the ways of your government, how it functions, how you have connection with your central government, about your culture, and moreover, I think we have found a lot of connection and issues that are actually mutual to both of your state and our country. So we hope that in future you will be able to take good lessons from your organization here and your country, and also we hope that you will learn a lot from our country as well. So I just want to say that let us learn from each other and let us try to implement what is the best part of each country and your state, and maybe one in very near future, in very good future, this region will be one of the best regions around the world, and I pray for that. Thank you so much. And Khadija.
Tai bah bede khuit ka suba ka ba nakaliang jungi ru ngila wat jingtip ha naka sarkar ka jungki ya ka ba kala don la ka jong sarkar hapo ka jing pe jung sim Bhutan ba ka Bhutan ka long ka we naka jaka ka ba khuit wat ikiniki wa duit ki wa he ki catchment area ki tolong ki khuit ba tingi kali kumno ki atrekam kumno ki penankam ki ain ki ba kumno la si ki ki program ki jungki bakila ban penek pensak kemarian te ngila yo banya slok markeliang ngila yo jing mentoi markeliang ling ba kan ke jing kenduk ka jungi te bat nakaliang jung kiru ke la sungtenat ya ka bandan ikan ka meeting ka ba kerpang ya ka ba kin yo ban tip khambria aspangka jing long kerpang ka jungi kum ke jai ben khasi hapo ka jing kedup jong ka 6 schedule ke provision ke kerpang haka artikel aspak so saw ar but shispa nyu pusan way bade jongka constitution jongkari India but akan ni jingkran la penpau na way na ki nomi khmat menena Bhutan ba hadir mengilayo benikran I penpau ba ngisngo kumba kadai ka ri laka jong kani ka ri khasi ke jungi lingba ka jingdon ni khasi sidul kamde shu bangi hap apori India ne ha ka ri India te la sengap ke jing batai jungi la sungu kumba ngidon laka jong ka ri program ke jungi banyak kendu da ka jing ya trailang da ka liang ka jungi kum council ringkat baka Meghalaya Institute of Governance kabala yalam de ba Ivan Swear ringkat ke tim ke jungi bat kumju na ka Asian Conference te kani ka jing kendu ka jungi bat ki kalong ba ki wan ban kwa ban tip kham banya shushu bede ki jing trekam jongki EDC hang ni pot Meghalaya te khamtam ki EDC ki bede ka benta habede kariti ke dustur nadu ka sinshar khadar tanwai ka bingidan ngidon ka sinshar sim ngidon ka sinshar raj ngidon ka sinshar shnong te umtang kata ngilai keren ru habede ka kombat khndo bat siap ka jungi hapo ki EDC ngilai keren ru habede ka jing bat ke jungi ya ka cloud ka betap apo ka forest act ka bengidon ngilai keren ru shpang ka jing ya dei ba ka khui ka suba ka solid waste management nang ta ngilai keren ru habai dei bat ka yok ka kot jong ki EDCs let's say but QA nang ta kumno ngi trekam te ngilai keren ru shpang ka bor ka bla ai hangi ling ba ka 6 schedule habide ka judiciary power lani kata ka bor bishar ka bangidon nama khasi hi nadu bodang dan hang ni basdang bandan hapo hani po ri kejungi abangi wat jing tip ha wat banyak ha nadu shwa bang ngin yo e kejing lai lut akari India ru ngi syam ling ba kejing tho ki babun ba u khasihi shim ladan tangi kata kasinchar ri ladan ringkat ba kabishar te kini ki ya ringkat tingi lai bentak kasini ka arsaltrik naiwen arja akulai keladon kejing kenduk ke kerpang hang ni conference hall jongka office hakaba nakaliang kejungi kumka council ringkat kejing jong deputy chairman iba Charles Mangar nangta EM iba Fantin Joseph Lakedong nangta iba Karna Sosyal inilah yo ban priang sumbha ye kini ki guest ki jongi ki bawan po Bhutan nakanika Center for Bhutan and GNH Studies ki babun ki diki researchers ki ba wat jingtip wat benia bha khamtam habidev ki policy matters